Let's learn how to express the function 1 over x plus 3 as a composition of two functions f of g of x. We'll start with our original function, 1 over x plus 3. To break this into a composition of two functions, we need to identify what operations are being performed and in what order. Let's think about the steps that happen when we evaluate this function. First, we add 3 to x. Then we take the reciprocal of that result. These operations happen in this specific order. We can't switch them. The inner function g of x will be the operation that happens first. So g of x equals x plus 3. The outer function f of x will be the operation that happens second. So f of x equals 1 over x. Let's verify this works. When we compose these functions, we get f of g of x equals f of x plus 3 equals 1 over x plus 3, which is our original function. Let's visualize how this composition works with a diagram. First, an input x goes through g of x, which adds 3. Then, that result goes through f of x, which takes the reciprocal. The final output is 1 over x plus 3. In summary, we've expressed 1 over x plus 3 as a composition f of g of x by first identifying the inner function g of x equals x plus 3, which performs the first operation, and then identifying the outer function f of x equals 1 over x, which performs the second operation. When composed together, these functions give us our original function.